Welding fixtures are special equipment that constrain workpieces through mechanical structures. Their core function is to ensure precise positioning and secure clamping during welding, effectively controlling the formal time. Antron's self-developed tooling fixtures offer the following advantages: E. Enhanced welding precision. 2. Optimized control of production costs. 3. Ensured welding safety. And 4. Significant increase in welding efficiency. Antron designs and develops customized tooling fixtures based on welded objects, with wide application in automotive manufacturing, construction machinery, shipbuilding, sheet metal processing, and pressure vessel manufacturing.